Right, now we're going to tunnel bone this out. I could open bone it, but I would really like to keep this joint as complete as possible and keep its integrity. We're going to start at the back end, which is here, and we're going to start to work our way up this cartilage. Just take our time, there's no need to rush. You know, it's not a race like it is in some of these boning holes. It's just not a race. We can take our time and actually enjoy our butchery. So we look inside of there. So now we're going to loosen this joint here. So we're going to loosen the meat. Do it from this side, then you can see it from the top. And that way. Then down this side. Then we're going to go through that joint properly, like that. And make sure that this end meets the other end that I've just done. There we go. So now what I'm going to do, you see the joint there? I'm going to put my knife underneath there and loosen it underneath, and then we'll be able to put this meat over there and pull the blade bone out. So just place your knife underneath. It's a little scraping noise, so you hit the bone. That cuts the connective tissue underneath as well. And then I'm going to get our fingers in, push that forward. So we have that. Now I'm just going to point of our knife just down the side of one side. You don't need to go down this side. A lot of people do, you don't need to. And just pull that as quickly as you can. And pull. How lovely is that? Beautiful and clean. So take your time, nice and steady. And there you go. There's a blade bone removed in real time. Lovely and clean. So the next step.